call out to all financial planning professionals to stay ahead of the curve. Hi, I'm Michelle Tate-Lovery, Head of Content with the FAAA, and together with the Member Advice Committee and the FAAA team, we are thrilled to reveal the Congress program for 2025 in Perth, 18th to the 20th of November. Ahead of the curve is more than a theme, it's a mindset. It's about thinking sharp, staying focused, and leading your clients with confidence through an ever-changing world. It sure is a challenge each year to raise the bar, but we're up for that challenge, with an exciting program, bolder and bigger than ever before. Over 3 days, experience 4 powerful plenary sessions, deep dive workshops, and you get to choose from 24 breakout sessions, all designed to challenge your thinking and motivate you to leap forward. With 70 speakers from subject matter experts to visionary thought leaders, each session has been curated carefully by advisors for advisors. Whether you're a seasoned advisor, a business owner, licensee, or just starting out in financial advice, if you want to stay relevant, connected, and forward focused, this is your Congress. A special plug for all CFP professionals with the CFP workshop kicking day 1 off. Let's not forget where the magic happens in networking with the great exchange of ideas. With the welcome reception, community breakfast, and the gala awards dinner, let's celebrate advice together. Secure your spot now and save $315 on your member ticket with our early bird pricing only until the 30th of September. It's worthwhile bringing your team to this extraordinary event, and for 3 or more tickets you get a further $120 discount on your early bird pricing. Head to the FAAA website now to review the full Congress program and book your Congress ticket to be part of the conversation that shapes advice for the future, so that you can stay ahead of the curve. It's a worthwhile investment.